First, ensure your key fob has a fresh CR2032 battery. Get in your Xterra and close all doors. Insert your key into the ignition, but don't start the engine. Cycle the key between the off and on positions rapidly 6 times, ending in the on position. The hazard lights should flash to indicate you've entered programming mode. Immediately press and hold both the lock and unlock buttons on the key fob simultaneously for about 1 second. The hazard lights should flash again, confirming the fob is programmed. If you have additional fobs to program, repeat the button press sequence within 10 seconds for each fob. Once you've programmed all your fobs, turn the ignition off. Test each fob to ensure it's working correctly. If the programming sequence doesn't work, double-check the battery in your key fob and ensure you're performing the ignition cycling quickly enough. Early models 2005 to 2007 may require a 2-key method. Consult your owner's manual or online Nissan forums for specific instructions. Remember that reprogramming clears all previously programmed fobs, so you need to program all fobs you want to use during the same session. Aftermarket fobs might not always be compatible, so stick to OEM or reputable brands for best results. If you're still having trouble, consider checking for any immobilizer module recalls or consulting a professional mechanic. For enhanced functionality, explore aftermarket smartphone integration adapters that offer remote start and diagnostics via your phone.